and welcome to Momentum.
My favorite part of Momentum is hearing directly from all of you, our customers.
Working with Docusign has been great. It's just been really exciting to work with so many different cross-functional folks, all the while working at such a fast pace.
What I found most interesting today about the announcements and the Builder booth were the new MCP that was released, because it will allow users to connect other platforms, whether it's Claude or ChatGPT, but also building your own agentic systems.
The future of agreements is smart, it's connected to the places you work, and it's here today.